Hi Indy, this is Unkshu. Do you know what time it is? It's 10 o'clock, so I decided to film a little evening video because I'm not sure you'll be able to see my other messages today. It probably will be too late for you, and so I decided to say night and night just in case. As you can see, it's a very good weather today, and the sky is absolutely white, almost. No clouds whatsoever. This is our house. You know how it looks. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be taking a walk along the woods. Здравствуйте. This is our neighbor's doggy. His name is Graf, which could be translated as Duke, probably. I'm not sure. It's a rooster. Okay, but I just decided to walk to the woods so that you can hear some of the evening birds, and they're quite loud. I'll try and take a shower now. I'm not properly dressed. Well, that's funny. But we live near the woods, so why not? Well, I cannot really stand here for too long because mosquitoes are very bitey today. Can you hear the birds? They're very loud. Well, I'll definitely show you what this road leads to. Well, you can see